Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I am back with a part 3 of my countrycraftcreations.com haul. And these were very specific for my family and things that I am doing for my family. So, alright, I am excited. There will be one more, but I will not be filming it today. I am out of juice. I still have to do my planner videos, and I feel like I've been talking and I've hit the camera multiple. I mean, this is like my 6th, 7th, 8th video. I don't know. But I could not share this with you. So I absolutely adore this. I got this. It's Simple Stories. So as I was explaining earlier, I call our first grandchild, who it's our only grandchild right now, but I call her Bunny. So everything I could find Bunny, little girl, you know, I had to do it. Now, look at that. Don't you know I'm even going to cut that out and use it. So these are just the brads and all kinds of goodies, decorative, that you can put on all the projects. So I got that for her. And then I could not get Simply Vintage Garden District. I thought this was gorgeous paper. It's in my eyes, so hopefully it's not in your eyes. The maker of this is Simple Stories. This is not my favorite size paper, but I will take it. I can use this in my planners. I can use it in card making. I can even use this in journals, guys. This is, I mean, don't limit yourself. I really prefer 8x8, and I even prefer more of like a like letter size, but I am thrilled with whatever I can find, and especially when things are on sale and clearance and all that kind of good stuff. So, or if I got a coupon, you know how that works. So, you know how it works, you know. So I had to get the layering frames for this. I think this is gorgeous. And you know, and I know I'll use this on a variety of, this is also Vintage Garden District, which goes with this paper. But, yeah, I mean, I will use that in many different projects. I also picked up the floral bits. So, and these are gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Let me get the light in my eyes. Hopefully it's not in yours. So, absolutely beautiful. Flowers, butterflies, birds, the whole thing. And let me show you the back of this one. To be fair, look at all those. It just carries on. The flowers, the birds, the butterflies. I mean, I will definitely be using some of this in my youngest daughter's gift. So, you know, when you like it, you pick up what you can, especially when it's on sale. Alright, now, I've got that there. Now, I love rice paper. I think this is rice paper. Let me see. This is Ciao Bella paper, but I think it's rice. The stuff I bought, this is Stamperia. Yeah, rice paper. So I love these. I love to decoupage on junk journals and cards and all kinds. I really don't, I do this in like art, you know, like mixed media type journals. I don't, or mixed media pages. I don't necessarily do this in my scrapbooks, but you can, you totally can. So I love this. I have lavender growing outside, and I just thought this was so beautiful. And if I lived in a place where it was drier, I would have fields of lavender. I'm going to be making stuff for my husband. He loves trains, and so for his birthday, I thought that would be fun. Either that, or I may make him something for Father's Day with this, which is coming up soon, so I better get on it. Alright, let me pull this one out first. So this is Stamperia, and I love this. This is so gorgeous. So this really reminds me of my daughter-in-law. So I just think it's beautiful. I'm not sure who I'm going to, or how I'm going to use it, but I just love them. So is that it from Stamperia? Okay, here is the big Mama Jamba. So this one is, does that say Noel? I don't know. Let's see what the name of this is. If you go on Country Craft Creations, you'll find this page, and it'll share all this about these. So I think these are gorgeous. I think they're beautiful, and I think they're fun to use. Alright, now, so this is by Ciao Bella. So this paper feels a little bit thicker than what I've worked with, but see, it's almost like, look at the fibers in that. Ooh, this is going to be fun. So I love the gas station. My husband is he works for a car company, so, you know, vintage gas stations, vintage anything is our thing. So, look, it contains lead. Isn't that funny? Ah, that's so funny. 1934 Ford. So he does not work for Ford, but I think that is neat. But we do own a Ford truck. And then I picked up this because I thought these four would be perfect for cards, for junk journals, for all of that. So I picked up this extra one, and I thought this was really pretty. So, all right, that's that for that. Now, paper. You guys always say you want me to show paper, so I'm going to show paper. Don't hate me, okay? Don't hate me, please. All right, so I've got lots of paper here. So I love this. This is Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Coastal. I have some of the other pieces. So growing up on the coast of Texas, I love anything to do with the water, the ocean, anything. So, and I love that artistry on those particular seagulls. It's gorgeous. So I love the maps. There's Mexico. Yeah, see, I grew up right up there. So, and I thought this is beautiful. I can't tell you how many piers I walked on that, these are pretty thin, but, you know, pretending that's a faraway shot. I love that. So, and this is by Simple Stories. Yes, I love so many. You can see how many I picked up. So, and then I absolutely love anything newspapery, dictionary-y, the whole thing. Again, Simple Stories, it's Simple Vintage Coastal, and I love these colors together. That just feels like home. And then there's just a really pretty, there's some print here, like writing print and some water splashes, and then just beautiful watercolor work. So, and I love the branding strips on that. See the branding strip? Isn't that fun? And then you have the reverse on the other side. So super neat. Okay. There we go. All right. Now, oops, I think I went one too many, but that's okay because I can still share it with you. All right. Anything to do with maps, I love it. I think it's fun. It's just being a geography specialization. I love it. And then look at this side. Oh, beach worn wood. I love it. I think it's just gorgeous. It's, again, it's home. I don't know how else to say that. All right, so there's that paper. And what did I do with my other paper? I think I already took it out. Yeah, I think I already took it out. Okay, I'm trying to keep it all together. I'm trying to keep it together, people. All right, this is for my youngest. She's not in here, so I can be loud. Sorry. This is Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Garden District. So all of this goes with that. So I am going to make her, and I can still use the smaller paper and everything. She loves pink, she loves butterflies, she loves florals. I mean, this just, when I saw it, I was just like, ah, that's just her, you know. So, and she's been such a good sport while we've all been sheltered in. She has helped her mom and dad tremendously, and I am honored to call her my daughter. She's amazing. So I love this color. She's not a peach girl, but it will tie beautifully with those frames and ephemera. And let's see the other side. So this is still Simple Vintage Garden. This is why I wanted it, the cut apart. So how much fun is that? I love this one. Right now my birds are a big pain because they're very noisy right now, but choose to be happy. That's an important thing. Enjoy. It's a wonderful life. No matter what you're going through, it is a wonderful life. You've been given this life. What are you doing with it? The best ever, joyful, all of that. Chase your dreams, live, love, laugh, use your wings. You can fly. I mean, these are all the things that I think are perfect for her to hear at her age. So this I love. This is all, and she will love this because of the flowers. She was taking gorgeous pictures at a very young age of all the flowers. On our property, we had originally hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of roses. And our son took some out, God love him, but God used it for good. We now have our garden there. So, I mean, our vegetable garden. So we're thankful. We're very thankful now. But there was a while where I wasn't as happy. I'll be honest. And look at these cut aparts. Oh, I love that. Filled with love. You know, that'll be on the front. Live for today, lovely. Dream big. Live for today. Today is the day. Live, laugh, love. Live, love, laugh. So there you go. Different ways. But I love this collage. I just do. Okay. Now, whoops. And of course, that's the back side of that. don't fall. Okay. Simple Vintage Garden isn't, and it's like splattered watercolor washes behind those line drawings of the florals, the repeated. Oh, love it. Look at the branding strip, and then more gorgeous, gorgeous journaling cards. So I think these are gorgeous, and some of these I'm going to use on their projects for Christmas. I mean, I'm not going to use it all just as paper or as journaling cards in their junk journals. So as I do their, oh goodness, I'm just blanking out the card catalog. Not Rolodex, it is the Memory Decks project for them for Christmas. I will use some of these kinds of things in it. And I got to bring that project, y'all. I haven't been sharing that. I'm sorry. I'll bring it soon. Okay, so I love the vintage pink. It's the same Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Garden District. Love the branding strip. And I love this. I love this. I just can't say enough. And I'm not an orange and yellow girl that much. I grew up in the 60s and 70s, and everything was orange and yellow and rust. And so it's funny that I like green because, we had avocado green, refrigerator. And I love the gingham. So this is gorgeous. I bought several of those. And then look at this. It's like every time I pick up the paper, I'm like, oh, isn't that gorgeous? I love this. I adore this. This makes me happy. I love this. Yes. Okay. And then look at that. Isn't that pretty? She's going to love this. So, I mean, this just screams my baby. That's who this screams. She loves all those things. Now, look at the butterflies. They're teal. They're same thing. It is still Simple Stories. It is Simple Vintage Garden District. Don't you love the variety in this paper? It's gorgeous. Now, look at the other side. Ah, yes. I love this. How it's gorgeous. I love the water, the whitewash newspaper print. It just, or, book print, whatever you want to call it. It is gorgeous, and I think she is going to absolutely love this. Now, this goes with that. This is the bee paper, so I may steal one out and put in my husband's, depending on, oh, I still love the back. Oh, I love this. Oh my goodness, I am really into flowers right now. I'm really into edible flowers, and I'm also into flowers that provide pest control. So, I'm really into flowers right now, so this is so beautiful. Oh. And then the other side is bees. So, and my husband has bees. Yes, he still has them. I know. He needs to go take some beekeeping classes because clearly they are getting the best of him. Okay, this is my page. This is my page. All the birds and the butterflies and the greenery. It is just so beautiful. I love the vintage artwork. It is just something that even has print in the background. You probably can't see it. It's just gorgeous. And again, Simple Vintage Garden District. You can't beat it. And then look at this side. Yeah, I told you this was my paper. Pink, beautiful birds, florals, print, white, wash of colors. Oh, I love this one. Okay, I know I have to share. It can't just be my paper. Oh, I'll give her one of those. And then look at this. I love this. This, I don't know. I mean, I love this pink. I love this. And I considered, should I use this as my cover and then build on that? But then look at that. Yes. Isn't that gorgeous? So I'm not sure what I'm going to do for the cover. I have some gorgeous file folders, but I think I'm going to go with the actual paper line for the cover. I'm just not 100% sure yet. I just love her so much, and I want her to have something beautiful. So, there's that. And then, look, I got the big sticker sheet. Woohoo! Again, these were all on sale, my friends. Yes. So, I picked up 2, and, I mean, I may or may not use this for junk journals. I may cut these apart. I don't know yet. Like, this one you could cut apart. And then the rest are small, so you could use them in a junk journal. And this you could use on a scrapbook page or anything you wanted. Or mixed media page. And that looks like a blue bonnet. So, anyways, us Texans. But, again, Simple Vintage Garden District by Simple Stories. And I think that is going to be a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful gift for her. So I picked up 2 of these. This is all Simple Garden District paper. So let's see what comes in one of these kits. Sorry, I should have pulled that out before. That may just be the solids. Yeah, more the solids. That's beautiful. And then a different color pink. You can see that I'm not sure. And let's see what its background, its backside is. Its backside. Ooh, it's peach. That is pretty. And then you've got that darker, kind of more reddish pink. Pretty. And then you've got that gorgeous teal. Oh, that is gorgeous. And then you have the kind of whitewashed beige. That is beautiful. Beautiful. So, you know, I'm thinking about building off of these. So, all right, friends, that is it. That is my 3rd haul and unboxing. I'm going to turn y'all back. Oh, I've hit this poor tripod. Is dying on me. So if you've been like squishing down, I'm sorry. And in the other videos, I was flat out hitting it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. Come on back. We're going to be making junk journals this summer. I am super, super excited. Now, for the big reveal, because I have one more order I know from them, and I think it's in there. We have to let our mail cure before we open it. You know how that goes. We are still in that place. The doctor has not released us. But, so, if you notice, there's 2 sets of that paper, 2 sets of this. So, and everything comes in 2s already. So, I am going to be making not 1, but 2 junk journals. At least, if not 3. So, I plan for there to be options on my Etsy, and I'll be getting those, and you guys will go through with me. You guys can grab your own paper line. You do not have to use my paper line. You can grab any paper pack. You could grab one on summer, on travel, on anything, and we're just going to go through the most basic of junk journals, and it's going to be so simple. You're going to go, oh, you're kidding me. And I'm going to go, nope, I'm not. It's going to be that easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Come on back. I am super excited. I've got 2 Stampin' Up! Card kits that I'm going to do first, and then I'm going to start in with these next 2 projects. They are literally going right over there in my basket, and these are solely for my husband and my youngest daughter. And then the extras that I make, and I'm gonna probably this one, because I've got so much extra of it, I'm going to make several at one time. So I'm going to show you how do you produce at Christmas or birthday presents or anniversary presents or sibling presents or anything like that. If you're like me, we keep it even, right? So with my parents and my in-laws, I always did the exact same gifts. They had the same month birthdays. It was really weird. They both did, the husbands and the wives, and the mamas and the daddies and the mamas. And but for this, I want to show you also how you can make things to give as gifts or to sell at a craft fair, because this is the time you start planning, hint hint hint, for your fall craft fairs. So, all right, friends, if I do not see myself going to any, number one, my immune system probably will not allow me to go, but I can share with you ways that you can use your craft fair finds. So, all right, friends, I hope you liked this. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, say hello. We'd love to say hi, and welcome to all of our new friends. And most importantly, may God bless your day. May He bless you. And encourage you with creativity, and that it would be lovely. And that is always my prayer for y'all. And thanks, guys, for stopping by. All right, friends. Love you. God loves you. I'll talk to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.